Welcome to Zoomers of Wabash, Indiana. We are looking at the 2019 Jayco Talon 385T. This 41-foot, 5-inch toy hauler comes with a 13.5-foot garage and a 5.5 Onan generator. You'll see we have some beautiful accent lighting on the front. Here you will see some auto level system information. We have a decent sized basement, docking station, and of course 50 amp service. This garage comes complete with a party deck, an electric queen bed, here we have a ladder and some exterior lighting. As you will see, this Jayco Talon has a farmhouse interior and 2 ACs. An entrance for the garage and an entrance for the living area. Take a look here. We have our Climate Shield Ultimate Weather Protection. Nice little railing on our steps. Let's take a look inside. Again, beautiful farmhouse interior, some nice LED accent lighting. Let's take a look at this kitchen. We have plenty of counter space, stovetop, cabinetry underneath, and cabinetry above. We have our television here, and typically I wouldn't like the TV up so high. If you take a look at the seating, it actually reclines. So you can lay back and enjoy whatever it is you like to watch on TV. And if that isn't comfortable enough for you, you see we have controls for massage, heat, and light. Now let's go back and see what we have here. We have the television, which we've already looked at. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. We have a coat closet. There we go. Control panel is right by the door. And between the kitchen and the couch, you have your refrigerator. Decent sized refrigerator and freezer. Let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. As you can see, this is wired for solar. We have our sink, a mirror with light behind it, a shower, and of course your foot flush toilet. Let's take a step back and look at the bedroom. You'll see in our bedroom we have our second AC. The first was in the living area. We have your TV hookups, some nice wardrobe space. There we go. Some drawers. Let's go ahead and make our way to the garage. And here is that second AC I was talking about. Like I said, this garage is 13 feet and 6 inches long. It has a party deck with folding rails and stairs. Here we have our electric queen bed and pass-through dinette. Let's go ahead and take a step back so you can see the whole garage, at least as well as you can. There's a TV backer, storage, a coach rack, and some railing. Some steps. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the 2019 Jayco Talon 385T. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. And as always, check out this camper and campers like it at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.